Freecash.com, founded in 2020, is one of the fastest growing websites to make money online. They assure you not only highest payouts, instant cash outs or low minimum withdrawals, but also a clean, modern and user-friendly design, active direct support, featured offers that have reliable payouts, and international signups. You can earn money on filling out surveys, completing tasks, sign-ups or playing games. Users already earn $28 million plus. There is a large community of users around freecash who are in touch and help each other. This is possible thanks to numerous functions provided by the freecash team, such as chat, Discord channels or various social media, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter or Reddit. You can withdraw your money through PayPal, crypto like Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum or Doge, and gift cards, Amazon, Steam, Google Play, Netflix, Spotify, Zalando, PlayStation, Xbox and many others, instantly. They also offer several other withdrawal methods like buying skins to the most popular games like Carbon Monosulfide, Go, Fortnite, LoL or Valorant. Some of the things freecash offers: instant PayPal cash shouts starting at only $5. Instant crypto cash shouts including Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin and Doge starting as low as 50 cents. Daily leaderboard paying out $500 every single day to top 250 users and monthly leaderboard paying out $2,500. High payout rates on offer walls, running plus 50% promotions constantly with the biggest offer walls like iAt Studios, Adem and AdGate. Very good Trustpilot rating, 27,000 plus reviews, 4.6 stars. $28 million plus earned by users. 1,000 coins equals $1. 0% fee gift card withdrawals, Amazon, Steam and more.